How to change language in LinkedIn. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to change language in LinkedIn. To change the language on LinkedIn, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Here, what you need to do is, first of all, you want to log into your LinkedIn account. I'm just going to go ahead and use my browser version. So once you're logged in, you will then be directed to the home page. So here, what you have to do is, you simply want to click on the me icon from the top left corner of your screen. Then what you have to do is click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. As you do it so, account preferences. As you go to account preferences, next you will be able to find this general preferences, right? So underneath you could see language. You could go ahead and click on that, and here you will be able to find a list of options available. You simply want to click that out and you'll have change your language. The other thing you could also do is, here you have this content language as well. You could go ahead and make changes with that as well. You could click the change button and select the one that's preferred to you. And this is how you could go ahead and change language in LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.